Hello, my name is Matthias, and in this video I will show you how to install Lunawood hardwood decking using Konekto N hidden fixing. The secret of the fixing is that you can install it from the top, leaving no visible screw heads on the surface. Let's have a look how it looks on the test decking. Konekto N is ideal for Lunawood's 5/4-inch thermally modified ash decking with a hidden fixing groove. Start decking installation with a stable frame. Built in accordance with your local code, joists will typically be 16 inches apart. Attach the Konekto N fixing clip to the groove of the board and fasten it to the joist with the included stainless steel screw. Position the next board by sliding it firmly into the fixing clips. Each board is automatically aligned with a consistent 1/4 inch gap, ensuring a flawless finish. The flexible groove arms clamp each board securely in place, preserving the clean, premium look of Lunawood Thermo Ash decking. And sometimes you might have to replace or remove a board, and that you can do with the Konekto N fixing. Remove the damaged board by unscrewing the existing clips around it. For easier and faster replacement, remove the damaged board along with the adjacent boards. Click the new board into place, reposition the adjacent boards, and finally screw in the Konekto N clips.